Let's pretend that you have your order just got home, and you have a new power. Let's pretend you have a new power supply now. All you have to do is remove the cover, then get your new power supply, put it back, in the computer, and you have the diagram right here, all the color coding, and you just have to look the color coding like, oh, this is orange. All right, okay, orange go over here, so orange go over here. Make sure you remember the pin and the pin color. It's most likely about color coding and the pin number, snap in. Second, you look your diagram. Oh, black and orange. Okay, you look for the wire, the 4-pin wire. Oh, over here. So black go that side, orange go this side. So you check your diagram again. Oh, okay, that's how it goes. Wow, snap in. Second, oh, there's another. You remember right here? See the red, orange, brown. Okay, red, orange, brown. Snap in. Yeah, your power is ready to go. And by the way, this power supply is from different computers, because the original power supply don't work anymore, so I have to use this one from different computer. See that how it's not even a fit there, but it worked perfectly. Okay, that's how you install power supply. Thank you.